Upgrading to Google Analytics 4 is a straightforward process that requires some planning and setup. To get started, you need to have a Google Analytics account and access to the property you want to upgrade. First, sign in to your Google Analytics account and navigate to the admin section. Click on the property you want to upgrade and then click on the GA4 Setup Assistant. This will guide you through the process of setting up a new GA4 property and linking it to your existing Universal Analytics property. Next, you will be asked to create a new GA4 property or use an existing one. If you choose to create a new property, you will need to provide some basic information such as the property name and industry category. After creating the new property, you will be given the option to enable data collection. This will allow Google Analytics to start collecting data from your website or app. You will also be given the option to copy existing tags from your Universal Analytics property to your new GA4 property. Once you have completed the setup process, you will need to install the GA4 tag on your website or app. This can be done using Google Tag Manager or by manually adding the tag to your website's code. It is also important to note that GA4 uses a different data model than Universal Analytics. So you may need to update your existing reports and dashboards to take advantage of the new features and functionality. Best practices for upgrading to GA4 include setting up data retention and ensuring that you have the necessary permissions and access to the new property. You should also test your setup to ensure that data is being collected correctly and that your reports are accurate. Overall, upgrading to Google Analytics 4 requires some planning and setup, but it provides a range of new features and functionality that can help you better understand your website or app's performance and make data-driven decisions. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a smooth transition to GA4 and start taking advantage of its features and capabilities.